Hey, join us tonight for my birthday celebration dinner. We're going across the street. We're actually going under the street, taking the tunnel over to Harveys, going to the Sage Steakhouse. It was established in 1947. And yes, it is older than I am. You may have noticed from some of our other restaurant videos that we really enjoy a nice view during dinner. This looks like it's going to be a very impressive view. We're here right before sunset.
Let's get that glass nice and smoky. Get a few sheets. This is a traditional muddled old-fashioned with the maraschino, cherries, and orange rye. So pour it right over the ice cube. Enjoy your cocktail. All right, thank you. Thank you, of course. Great restaurant because we've actually been around since 1947. We've been here since the old wagon wheel that was here. It was we were built before this whole casino even existed. It was the wagon wheel with the East Asian Steakhouse, and then this big building was built around the old building. So, yeah, so we've been here for a long time. I think we're the second oldest restaurant in Tahoe. It's obviously not the same as what it was before because we were downstairs on the casino floor. It was an old, like, oaky, nice, dark, like, scenic room. But they just moved this up here like about 4 years ago, so it's a lot better. But we still try to keep the Western feel to it. These are all authentic photos made from the early 1900s. So if you want to come over to look at those, they're really beautiful. Yeah. I hope you enjoy your cocktail.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You wouldn't like it.
Yeah. Well, I know you won't like mine.
So we're going to start with the fresh squeezed lemon juice then. And just a little bit less than a teaspoon of the anchovy paste. And a teaspoon of the Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. A little more than a teaspoon of minced garlic. And this will be the Worcestershire sauce. And just a hint of Tabasco. And then this will be the liquid egg yolk. And now what we're going to do is add red wine vinaigrette. It's going to emulsify the egg yolk and kill like the bacteria. Extra virgin olive oil. Gradually add fine Parmesan, give that creamier texture. Add into the lemon lettuce.
That is thick.
On that side of the T-bone, he'll be carving the fillet, so probably the small one. And then this bigger side here will be the New York strip. And so the steak is already marinated in sous vide. Basically, they have it vacuum sealed and cooked in the temperature water, so they get all the fat and the juices that sticks into the steak. So it'll be like nice and rare, and then they'll grill it, get a nice char.
And the sear.
Yep, the sears to top it off there.
Hmm. We've shared a lot of porterhouses. This is the thickest one I've ever seen.
This is the thickest steak I've seen, honestly. That's a big steak. Even for 2 people, it's a decent size. You have to come in an empty stomach. Maybe a day of a hiking or something. Because I don't think I've seen it done before where the plate's completely empty. It's just there's so much food involved. If you had any puppies, could have brought that at home, but you guys live all the way on the other side, so.
You know, all our kids are grown and we don't want any responsibility like pets.
Yeah, you've already done enough at that time, right?
And we need to look into that sous vide process. It's so thick and tender. The flavor goes all the way through. The Sage Steakhouse is going to replace SW Steakhouse as #1 on our list. This is the finest steak we've ever had.
Some brandy. Then we're gonna add some Tahlequah. Yeah. Alright, and 1 shot per person. Alright. If you want more, let me know, okay? I'm not sure how drunk we want to get. Alright. Okay, here we go. We're gonna add some brandy. Or not brandy, this is Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier, we're gonna set the Grand Marnier on fire here, okay? Here you go. 2, 3, we're gonna take it right off. While it's on fire, we're gonna get our orange peel here.
This is very cool. It's not going to burn away all the alcohol, though.
No. Or it depends how long you want to leave it there. I like to play with fire, so I'm going to do it for
You're very good at it.
maybe 2 or 3 more times. Maybe 1 more time.
You can light food on fire. It's great.
Yeah, right? That's the fun part.
And the restaurant was a little noisy at first. There was a wedding party that was dispersing. But after they got done with all their goodbyes and good lucks, then the restaurant became very quiet and peaceful.
Alright, as long as she doesn't get caught, right? Here we go. A little bit of that whipped cream, a nice little dollop there. has a few little goodies inside, okay? It's like a mystery box.
We like that.
So put in your guesses now what's inside it. I'm just kidding.
This was a great birthday celebration, one of the best views we've ever had, accompanied by the best steak we've ever had. The Diablo coffee dessert drinks were not only a great fire show, but they were really good drinks. That was a great meal. We highly recommend the Sage Room at Harveys. As always, thank you for watching.